Oh, no, okay, no. I'm dancing it. You guys, how you doing? It's Thank God again, and today we are back again with a new video. We are checking out Kiss Daniel. Yeah, Kiss Daniel is finally back with a new tune, and this tune has been making wave on TikTok because he posted a little clip of the song on TikTok, and he's been making this wave. He has this dance, they do like this. Something like that, sha. But yeah, the title of the song is Cough, open bracket, Odo. So yeah, let's see what he got for us on that tune. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that subscribe button, please join the family. The last place I heard from Kiss Daniel was on the Booga official video. Yeah, okay, I think he's been making some features, but that was his own track. So yeah, and this one is even in collaboration. Empire featured Kiss Daniel on it, and I think Empire, they are releasing a mixtape soon featuring some other artists, because I had something like that on Twitter. I saw something like that on Twitter. So yeah, let's see what they got for us on this one. Okay. Wow, cough. Where it comes from? Okay.
All right. Go.
So there's this melody Kiss Daniel has in songs, like you can't just resist it. Like from the days of Jaho, from the days of Adama, like from the days of those songs to Booga now to this one, like this that energy still remain untouched, and you know, like it's still the same.
To flex my love,
Okay.
I want to impress,
Okay.
and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Die who, oh die who, yeah, oh die who, die who, oh die who, yeah, oh die who, die who, oh die who,
I'm dancing.
My body calling and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to the place she loves. I'm a man, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away to the place she loves.
What I think about Kiss Daniel, like lately, I feel like Kiss Daniel has been giving his songs this kind of self-promotion, and you know, I feel like all artists should be doing that, you know, because like from Booga, let's use Booga as an example now. When Booga, before Booga came out, yeah, he first started with a short clip on TikTok, you know, where he was doing this. Let me see you, let me see you. Then Booga, you understand? Like that was it, and the whole thing was trending before the official track came out. And when it came out, it was doing madness, like on all musical platforms. Like the song was blown, you know. But yeah, coming to this Odo now, he has already given us a short clip too on TikTok where he was doing that Odo dance. Like he posted up to like 3 videos. I think there's one he posted with Pokoli, there was one he posted with some few friends, like 2 videos with few friends here, you know. But he's giving his songs this kind of awareness. Like Kiss Daniel is one of those artists that before he releases a song, he will tell us that you guys should write it on your notebook, write it on your note that I am releasing this song and this song is gonna be banger, you know. And like he will just give you this awareness before time, you know. So yeah, big ups to Kiss Daniel. He's doing his thing, and it's a good one. And he has this catchy chorus, like the chorus he always uses on his songs are always very catchy, like Booga, although like bro, this new Kiss Daniel, this is not the old Kiss Daniel. This is not the Kiss Daniel of Jahu, because that Kiss Daniel was like, I would say this is the Kiss Daniel Pro Max. But yeah, I love this one.
Your bestie, Danny bro, you don't want to find my trouble. Enter bathroom, fresh up. She na me you come to when your heartbreak, motion she heartbreak. Na me the bite dinner for your man then. Enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love,
I want to press,
and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Man. I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
Let me do that. Very can't stand up, but yeah, something like that.
By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up.
Okay, this is mad. Okay, we have seen Cough or Do by Kiss Daniel, and bro, big ups to Kiss Daniel. This is mad, you know. I can't wait to hear the Empire mixtape and see some other artists that they got on the mixtape, you know, the features there. But Kiss Daniel delivered on this one, and yeah, I love this one. This is a nice tune, guys. Tell me what you think about this one. Yeah, tell me what you think about this one. I feel like this song will do more, will make wave, like to the level of Buga, you know. This Buga is, I think Buga is bigger than this song, you know, but this song will make wave like Buga. Because the reason why I said Buga is bigger than this song is because like a lot of old like parents I know, yeah, well, this song just came out newly, but they haven't started vibing to this song. Because like my mom in particular, she was actually singing to Buga. It was one day she was just singing "Let Me See You," and I was like, yo, what are you saying? Like, okay, so yeah, this song, I hope this song goes that, you know, up. But yeah, it's a good tune. Tell me what you think about this one, guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that subscribe button, please. Join the family. Like this video, please drop a comment on this video. Share this video with friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.